This is Kimi and Lanz. I am part of the marketing department team here, and I snagged some time with Trevor Lanz, who is going to talk to us today about preventive measures for frozen pipes. Trevor, how are you doing today?
I'm doing great. How are you?
I'm doing just fine. It's Friday. We made it to the weekend.
That's right. That's right.
So we're going to get started and talk about frozen pipe maintenance. What do you know?
When it's cold, they can freeze.
There you go. Why do pipes freeze and burst in the wintertime? Is it because the temperatures just get so cold?
Yeah, so a lot of it has to do with obviously, cold temperatures, and then they have generally affected pipes in unconditioned spaces that lack proper protection.
Okay.
Another instance could be, insufficient heat in freezing areas. Also, if you have an outdoor spigot that you would hook a garden hose to water plants and stuff, if that's still hooked up, the water can't drain out of there, so it's still full of water. Cold air hits it.
What about preventative maintenance? What kind of preventative maintenance can people take to prevent these pipes from freezing this time of year?
I would say the best thing to do is obviously keep your heating equipment serviced, and then obviously keep it on so that way your house is warm and it doesn't freeze.
Here at Lanz, we offer a couple of different solutions for this problem. So you could be on the Comfort Family Plan that comes out and your plumbing gets serviced twice a year, and then your plumbing will get looked at so we can make sure that everything's ready before the winter hit. But what if you're not on the Comfort Family Plan and all of a sudden you realize that you have a frozen pipe and you need to call us to come help? I know we can't help with some things, so walk us through what we can't do versus what we can do in that situation.
Yeah, so generally when your pipes freeze up, you'll notice it first because of blockage. You won't be getting water flowing out of whatever fixture that the frozen pipe serves. And generally speaking, the pipes also don't burst until they thaw out. You'll recognize the freeze first by blockage. Here at Lanz, we don't offer the service of thawing out your pipes due to, liability and heaters and stuff of that nature. But what we can do is once it's thawed out, we can come back out and make sure that there are no leaks, or if it is spraying out water, make sure you shut your house off, the water off to your house, and we'll come out and fix the leak
and take a look at things.
Yep.
And see if there's any. Do you have any tips or tricks that you think that you've left out of preventative maintenance for when it gets cold, like really cold?
Well, when it gets really cold down in like the teens and it's windy and stuff, a good practice is to open up your cabinet doors underneath of your lab faucets and kitchen faucets, kind of let some of that heat from the room hit the water lines there and hopefully follow into the wall there.
Right. And I know some people turn on their faucets and let them drip a little bit.
Yeah, so it's a lot harder for moving water to freezer. So a lot of people recommend turning on the faucet and just letting it drip slowly so that way water continually flows through that pipe. That's not saying it won't freeze. It should just prolong
help.
it. Yeah. Then just kind of the last thing I want to touch on is if a pipe does burst and you have water spraying out everywhere, the steps that you should take would be, obviously turn off your water main so you don't have continuous spraying. Open up your faucets to drain the faucets out, and turn your water heater off and call us.
There we go. And the phone number here, guys, is 217-355-5512. And we have people available 24 hours a day. So if you have a problem overnight, you can get to one of our dispatchers and we can have them come out for you.